yesterday?
No.
For
Nothing at all, actually.
nothing.
It's another one of those where we're in a hotel room with no window and time just kind of stands still, which is not good. We actually checked the photos to make sure it did have a window before we went there and booked it. And it did have a window. What we didn't know was that window was into the hallway.
Yeah, so it's pitch black all day long.
But anyway, there's not actually a great deal in Yibin. We obviously came here for the Bamboo Sea, but we were doing a lot of reading yesterday in our Lonely Planet book. And it turns out that there's another town a few hours away. It also has a Bamboo Sea.
And it's cheaper.
And it's like, yeah, a third of the price.
And there's no tourists because obviously not so many places advertise that place.
And also, it has the second highest waterfall in all of China.
Which we're gonna go and see.
Yeah, so there's stuff there, so it sort of seemed pointless to do the Bamboo Sea here. Anyway, we had a day off, and now we just had a little walk around today and booked our bus ticket for tomorrow.
And also we found Apple shop that repaired my phone because my phone suddenly decided not to work. I mean, not even to turn on. And I can't access my bank from anywhere else than my phone. So in order for me to get some money, we had to find Apple store.
And we did.
We did.
And he fixed it.
For free.
Quick as a flash, yeah.
Yes, and it was free, and it was, yeah, really, really happy with it.
Good. Yeah.
So
So now we're on one of the bridges which goes over the Yangtze River, which is behind me. Yeah, it's quite pretty.
That, if you see the third bridge, the second one with the, how do you call them? Well, the triangle bridge. It looks like the one in my hometown of Riga. Yes, it does. I'll show it to you when we are in Riga.
This is quite a nice one as well. But yeah, tomorrow we're off to Lanzhou, and then changing there and going to the town that we talked about, which is called Shishui or something. But no one knows what we mean when we talk about it. So
we have to go to 3 bus terminals to find where we can actually get a ticket from, because nobody knew what we mean, or like it's just not probably a very popular place to people go. I don't know. So the bus terminal, which one is it? It's the one in Northwest.
It's in the north. It's the one that we arrived in. It's the biggest one.
Yeah.
So if you're going that way, then go there.
It's 45 to 1 per person, and they have loads of times when they go.
Yeah.
Just if you want to go.
Many of them.
Yes, and you can also find bus from town center of Yibin that goes there, which is number 4, number 6, number 30, and there's number 22 as well.
This is all really helpful information.
I know it is, because if we would have knew this, we wouldn't have to spend half a day walking around bus terminals.
That is true.
That is true.
Anyway though.
Anyway though.
So yeah, we're gonna go tomorrow, and I guess we'll see you in Shishui, hopefully Shishui, whatever it is. So now we're in Luzhou, and we got the bus all right from the main bus station, and it cost what, 40 something?
45.
It took about an hour and a half, then we got here and went straight over the road into here, which is the main bus station. Bought our tickets to Chushui. They knew what we were talking about this time. Straight away, pretty much. Shishui. It's only going to cost 25, but we arrived at 1:30, went straight to the ticket counter, gave us our tickets, and they're for 6:30, so long wait.
Yeah.
We've just sat in there, Dickos, for the last like 2 hours.
Yeah. The weather is nice, so
it's really nice
outside.
Yeah. I was just saying I might have to dig out sun cream. But yeah, there's not much to do really, apart from shopping centres, and we've got our bags, so it's just a case of sitting around really. Yeah. There's Luzhou. Yeah, Shishui coming soon.